Welcome to Catch Ventures, and today we're opening 6 from the right. Let's see what we could get. We're chasing the SIR, the Charizard SIR Mega, or the Gold Charizard. Let's see if we could hit one.
These are the 6 packs of Phantasmal forms. And let's see what we could get. I'm starting off with Heracross. Comment down below what you think the energy is. I guess water energy. Metal energy. Most one. Oddish. Archlodon. Ooh, and a Suicune. Well, it's a rare. Next, Heracross. The code card. Comment down below what you think the energy is. I guess dark energy. Metal energy again. Wigglytuff. Eternatus. Mistlery. Ooh, and a Lopplio! And a Reshiram! Let's go! Nice! Load Cleo. It's a nice card. Might go opening. Code card. Comment down below what you think the energy is. I guess fire energy. Leaf energy. Chryslia. Ghastly. Apom. Ooh, and an Igneous energy! Let's go! Igneous. Ignitus. Whoa. That is so cool. It's a nice card. Mega Gengar. Code card. Comment down below what you think the energy is. I guess fire energy. Archlodon. Blister. Dawn. Ooh, and a Palma. Code card. Comment down below what you think the energy is. I guess leaf energy. Ooh, psychic energy. Sacred Charm, Hotchcraw, Palma, Blowtorch, and a Vileplume. Last pack magic. Code. Comment down below what you think the energy is. I guess metal energy, fire energy, Cruel Edge. Pro, Rumgas, ooh, and an Apom. Well, we got the Igneous energy and the Lotadco.
We have 3 more episodes of the Phantasmal Flames box. If you want more episodes like these, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. See you next time at Catch Ventures.